How to unlock an OS drive, encrypted by BitLocker in Windows 10. Getting locked out of your Windows 10 OS drive because of BitLocker can be a major headache. Knowing how to unlock it can save you time and frustration, especially when you need to recover important data. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding BitLocker and why unlocking your OS drive matters. BitLocker is a Windows feature that encrypts your entire OS drive, protecting data from unauthorized access. Learning to unlock an OS drive encrypted by BitLocker in Windows 10 is vital for data recovery and system maintenance. It uses protection modes like TPM, TPM plus PIN, USB startup keys, and passwords, often combined for stronger security. Essential methods to unlock a BitLocker encrypted OS drive. Let's dive into the key methods to unlock your BitLocker encrypted OS drive. First, the simplest way is by using a password. When you boot your system, you'll see a prompt for the BitLocker password you set during encryption. If you forget your password, the BitLocker recovery key is your go-to. This 48-digit numerical key is typically stored in your Microsoft account, a file, or a printout. If configured, TPM, Trusted Platform Module, and PIN can also unlock your drive. TPM can automatically unlock the drive at startup if properly configured. You can also reset TPM via BIOS/UEFI settings. A USB startup key can also unlock your drive if configured. The system uses a key stored on the USB drive to automatically unlock the OS. Be aware of issues like detection failures or key loss. Finally, you can unlock via command line using Manage BDE commands. This powerful method allows you to use a password, recovery key, or startup key to unlock the drive and check its status. Troubleshooting common BitLocker. Unlocking issues, running into problems. If your recovery key is lost, first check for backups in your Microsoft account or local storage. You might also try a TPM reset or use other key protectors. For persistent issues, third-party data recovery tools can sometimes help. If you're caught in a BitLocker recovery loop, identify the root cause, often hardware changes or Windows updates. Then try entering the recovery key, updating BIOS/UEFI, temporarily disabling BitLocker, or repairing system files via the Windows recovery environment. For TPM-related problems, check its status, reset or clear it, update drivers, and re-enable it in BIOS/UEFI. Authentication failures stem from incorrect PINs, passwords, or corrupted keys. Verify and resolve TPM issues or use your recovery key. Best practices and preventive measures for BitLocker management. When configuring BitLocker, balance ease of access with security. Use TPM for seamless security. Add a PIN for authentication, or a USB startup key. You can also set up automatic unlocking on trusted networks. It's also important to know when to disable BitLocker, such as before upgrading the OS or selling a device. If you still need encryption after disabling it, consider alternatives like VeriCrypt. Unlocking an OS drive encrypted by BitLocker in Windows 10 might seem daunting, but it's completely doable with the right methods. Whether you use a password, recovery key, TPM, USB key, or command line, understanding these techniques is key. Remember to always securely store your recovery key and be prepared to troubleshoot common issues. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to unlock an OS drive encrypted by BitLocker in Windows 10, linked in the description below.